This is the master. In here is the bathroom. And going downstairs is as you eat. But down here is the lovely gentleman who showed us the place. But this is the kitchen. The kitchen. This is the area for eating, and then in here, the dining room. And then we have a bedroom in here. And then finally, out here you can't see, but over there is the other house, which is number 7, and you have number 6, which is here. And then one last bedroom, I think, in here. So that's your other bedroom. And there's another thing in there.